Well, when we talk about Real Madrid, obviously we talk about the actual Champions League winners, which is the best trophy you can win in European football, and we have won the Europa League Cup. So obviously they are the ones that everyone wants to beat. They've got a great team. They won the league in Spain as well. So we are not discovering now Real Madrid. We know how good they are. But I think United as well has a great history, has a great record of titles. We won 3 titles last season, and what we want is obviously one day sooner than later be where Real Madrid was last season, which is in a Champions League final, and try to win it. And I think this football club will always be fighting for the most important trophies, and hopefully we can start again from this season.